Why do we yawn? Have you ever noticed? You yawn when you feel tired, or even when you see someone else yawn. But why does this happen? Yawning is your body's way of waking up your brain. When you are tired or bored, your breathing slows down. This means less oxygen reaches your brain, so your body forces a deep breath. That's a yawn. It increases oxygen and helps you feel more alert. But here's the crazy part. Yawning is contagious. If you see someone yawn, your brain automatically copies it. Scientists believe this is linked to empathy. It means your brain is connecting with others. Even animals like dogs and chimpanzees yawn too. So next time you yawn, remember, your brain is just trying to stay active and connect with others. Pretty amazing, right? Follow for more amazing facts.